what you find with not just neurotypicals, but atypicals. No, I'm not all these sort of devices that meaning is sort of predicated on not the literal statement itself.
Going to explore mental disorders from a linguistic perspective.
You have subliminal, you have supraliminal.
And also write, and I find writing or transcribing and transposing is difficult. Transposing is when you change the key of one song to arrange it in another key.
Exploring linguistic devices, taking these abstract concepts and materializing them. And a lot of these things were done inadvertently. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream.
One is precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. There's multiple.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
Momentum, what determines velocity.
Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Historical devices is the power of persuasion.